My name is Paul Kajeji for cgcookie.com. Welcome to Turnaround. This course is a direct follow-on from Concept, in which we covered my process for creating a single piece of character concept art. But you don't need to have completed Concept to do Turnaround, as a character beauty pass is supplied from the start for you to practice on. However, it is assumed that you have a comfortable understanding of the Blender interface and can use Grease Pencil with some degree of confidence. If you'd like to brush up on your Grease Pencil skills first, I recommend you check out Draw, my free Introduction to Grease Pencil course. It is available through cgcookie.com and our official YouTube channel. Here's what's covered in Turnaround. In Chapter 1, you'll take a finished piece of concept art and push it even further so that you can see all the details necessary to create your turnaround sheet. In Chapter 2, you'll learn about the importance of scale, some specific uses for the mirror modifier, and how to lay out the main turnaround views for your character. Finally, in Chapter 3, you'll add additional content on a second keyframe, learn some quick filling techniques, and render out your final images ready to pass on to a modeler. All the working files, extra assets, and images used are supplied, and while you can follow along and create your own version of Luna's turnaround sheet, I do encourage you to adapt the methods shown in each lesson to your own creations. The concepts are basically the same, no matter the character. But by the end of Turnaround, I hope that you will have added a new skill to your character creation pipeline, as well as learned a bit more about using the Grease Pencil.